Hi everyone, my name is Tanya from Tanya Creative Junkie. Today I'm doing a envelope for someone that's very special to me. It is around pregnancy and getting ready for the birth of the baby. I wanted to give this person something special, and I wanted to include some affirmations that they could use and say, and maybe add blue tack to and stick to different parts of the house, mirror, fridge, etc. So what I've started with is I've chosen a couple of sheets of paper with a design on it that I'm going to use for the envelope. Now, there is another video that I have showing how I made the template for the envelope. These envelopes are about 4.5 inches square. So using the template, I'm cutting out the envelope insert, and then I will also cut out using the templates for the envelope size. So once I have finished cutting out the templates for the sides of the envelope, I will just check them against the envelope to make sure that they don't go over the edges and trim where needed. I then add some distressing ink to the edges of the pieces of the templates. This just hides that whiteness and gives it that nice look. I've found for gluing down the paper to the envelope that a glue stick works best. It provides that little bit of movement if you need to move the paper around, and it doesn't seem to bubble the envelope once it's dry. So just remembering that the insert goes onto the back of the envelope or the wrong side of the envelope, and then the pieces go onto the front of the envelope, because you will actually, once the envelope is folded, you will be able to see these pieces. So just gluing these down and making sure that they fit nicely to the envelope. So once the pieces have been added and we've taped up the envelope, I decided that I might like to add some stamps to the front just to provide a bit of balance to the envelope. So I found a nice flower stamp that I like to use, and I've stamped that onto the front of the envelope. Sometimes if you think about something that you're stamping on, you don't need to stamp the whole stamp. It sometimes looks good if you use the stamp so that it looks like it's coming off the page, and then altering that so that you've got some more of the stamp showing on some sections. I also like to go by odd numbers, so I would tend to do 3 or 5 stamps on a project. So next I had a card that I made, and what I'm going to do now is I also cut out some affirmations on pregnancy and getting ready for the birth. I distressed inked the sides of the card, and I'm just going to add some more of those flower stamps to the card, and then I will add the affirmations to the card. The idea behind the affirmations and the card is So I think that turned out really nice, and it's something that the person that's receiving this can keep. It's traditionally, I guess, not a card as such, but it's something that they can open up and have around, that they can pick up and have a look at the affirmations when they want to. I had quite a few affirmations left over, and I really didn't want to just throw them away, so I made a little envelope and distressed inked the sides of the envelope, and then I added the affirmations to the envelope and included that inside the card. I think this is a great little project that you could do. I've done it for pregnancy, but you could do it for anything, a birthday, a wedding. It's really up to you. I hope you've enjoyed watching this. Please like and make a comment if you would like to. Let me know if this was helpful, or you have anything else that you might like me to do. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye. Take care. Bye.